Aloha and welcome to HSPLS Creates. This is Miss Jennifer and I am a librarian with the Hawaii State Public Library System. Today I am going to show you a quick and easy way to make a reusable tote bag with an old t-shirt. First, here are the supplies you will need. First, a t-shirt. The size of the shirt will help determine how big your bag will be. Also remember that the thicker your t-shirt fabric, the stronger your finished bag will be. Next, grab a good pair of scissors. Additionally, you may want a ruler or a cutting mat. This craft is appropriate for all ages as long as you are safely able to use a pair of scissors. But Keiki, be sure to get your grown-ups' permission before starting this craft project. To begin, spread your t-shirt out on your workspace. If you want your finished bag to have visible fringe at the bottom, leave the t-shirt right side out. But if you want a clean edge, turn your shirt inside out now and smooth it out. This step is especially important if there is a design you want to feature on your finished bag. Make sure all the edges are even and match, then cut the hem off of the bottom of the t-shirt. Next, carefully cut off the sleeves and neck. You can cut deeper than the neckline, but I wouldn't cut past the bottom of the armholes. Remember, you can always cut away more material, but you can't put it back. You can eyeball the new curve of the neckline, but I like to fold the t-shirt in half before I cut. That way I get a pretty symmetrical curve. Before using your scissors, make sure all the layers are smooth and even. The remaining shoulder pieces of the t-shirt will become the handles of your new bag. And you don't have to throw those t-shirt scraps away. You can use it for another craft or cut them into strips to make soft, comfy straps for your face mask. Now we need to decide how big we want our bag to be. Remember, t-shirt fabric will stretch out a bit as you use it, so your bag may be too deep if you use the whole length of the t-shirt. To close the bottom of the bag, we will cut and tie some fringe. I cut my fringe about 3 inches up from the bottom. The longer you cut the fringe, the smaller your bag will be. Make sure you are cutting through both the front and back of the t-shirt. The fringe should be about 3/4 of an inch wide. I used my adult-sized fingers to estimate the 3 inches and my thumb as a reference for the width, but you can use a ruler to be more precise if you wish. Don't forget to slit the folded side edges so that there are 2 pieces of fringe there as well. Okay, now it's time to tie the fringe. Take 2 pieces of fringe from the front and back of the t-shirt and tie with a normal square knot. Continue all the way down until the whole edge is tied up. Next, separate the tails from each knot so that one tail is pointing up and the other is pointing down. This next part is optional, but helps close up any holes between each set of fringe, and having a double layer of knots helps reinforce the bottom of the bag. Starting on one side, tie the bottom tail of the first knot to the top tail of the second knot. Then take the bottom tail from the second knot and tie it to the top tail of the third knot, and so on down the line until you reach the end of the bag. Your finished t-shirt tote bag will look something like this. Ready to pick up some holds from the library, a few groceries, or whatever you need to carry with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you make your own t-shirt tote bag and share on social media, please tag the Hawaii State Public Library System. We'd love to see your creations. Ahui ho!